Welcome to Triple Empire, where we help you triple your brand. Today we will actually be editing um, our flyers. So what we do here is we pre-made flyers for you guys to make it y'all process as easy as possible for you guys to market y'all products. So today we'll be editing. I will show you how to edit our templates to make it as quick as possible for you guys. Okay, so here. Okay. So once you make your purchase, you receive a PDF form, and once you hit download, it will go to your download files. So what you'll do is just drag over PDF, the file over. Once you drag it over, and once it open up, this is how it will look. It will have you the name of the template that you purchased. It'll also have a picture of the template that you purchased. And this template is actually 18, but we will go over one today. So what you will do is scroll down and you will click edit my template. Now with this template will take you over to Canvas. Canvas is free. They do have a free edition and they also have a paid one. The free one, you have access to a lot of things, but in the pro, you have more access to products and stuff that they do have that you have access to. Okay, so once this here will pop up, what you will do, you will go down to use this template. Once you click that, as it loaded up, it will load up all the templates that we have available. Sometimes it will be one, sometimes it will be two, three. Depends on how many is in there. And this package today is actually 18, but we will be going over one today. I'll probably go over a couple of more, just in case and see. So as you see, when it comes up, you have access to all these things. I try my best to use the free ones so you guys don't have issues or problems. The pro is actually $12.99 a month, which is actually a good deal, especially with you have access to. So with this one, this is our first template. So here in our templates, you would actually need to upload your own photos. These photos here, I just show you guys how it will look with photos. So what we're going to start with is the website here. As you see, it's at www.yourwebsite.com. So we're just going to put your website here. And I'm going to just type in my website. Or maybe not. And as you see, it will send lowercase. I'm going to show you a trick. If you click on it and click the three dots up at the top, and if you click this lowercase and capital case, as you can see that this is the uppercase, it will automatically turn it all to uppercase. Now say if I don't want it white and I want to change the color, you are able to change the colors that you would like for it to be changed to. Use black, yellow, whatever you would like. I'm going to continue to use white. So what we're going to do is actually add pictures. We're gonna hit delete. As you see, it took the picture away. Shouldn't do that. I will figure out the issue for that. So what you do when it does do that, you just hit Control Z and it brings it back. So, and if it do that, it won't allow you to just delete the picture. What you can do is just go to upload where your picture will be and you upload your pictures. So what you would do here is just show you another trick. You just hit upload files and you pick whatever file or photo you would like to upload. I already have my photos here that I would like to use. So I'm just gonna switch on my pictures. So say I want to use this one. So all you do is just, as you see, I click, drag. As you see, if I go over it, it automatically drops it in. Easy as 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna find another one. I'm gonna click, drag it over, drop in. I'm gonna click, drag, drop over. And I'm just grabbing them just to show you guys how it go. I'm gonna click, drag, and drop over. Now you see how I switched out my pictures. So you can leave it just like this once you add your website to it and once you upload your own photos. Now if you say, okay, I want to add a little bit more to it. So you can actually add shadows to the words or phrases. So I'm gonna hit shadow. I want my shadow to be white. So as you can see, I'm gonna hit do it again. I click shadows. I go down to where it says color, and I want my shadow to be white. So I'm gonna click out. As you see, it show popped up just a little bit. So I'll say I'm wanting to deep. If you go to transparent, you can go as low as you like. It won't show. Go up as high as you like. And all you do is the one you click on, you would like to have the shadow on. You just look and see how much of the shadow you like. You can do all the way up to 100% and make your shadow. So say I want to do this. When I say I have this group, right, and I want shadow, you'll click here and you see it selected all. I'm gonna click it again. So you see how when I click just Friday, it has just the dots. That's because this is grouped, so it won't move out of place. Or if it move out of place, it's still together. Or if I decide to move it around, that it's already together. You can't ungroup it. You can rephrase it if you do not want this phrase. If you want to change your phrases, you are allowed to do that. So say I want to change Friday into a shadow. So we're gonna hit shadow again. And I want my shadow white. And I'm bring the transparency up to 100 because I want it to pop out. So as you see, I am done here. It only took me, what, 2 seconds? Possibly not even a minute. So now I want to download it so I can upload it. So I'm gonna show you guys how to download it. If you would like for me to show you guys how to upload, if you don't know how, if you like for me to upload, show you, I can't even talk right now. If you would like for me to show you how to upload it to your social media, click like and subscribe and drop in a comment that you would like for me. What would you like for me to show you guys? So here we're gonna go to share. So I'm gonna show you how to download. So, and this is the one I would like to download because this is the one I just done, and this one, as you can see here. So I'm gonna hit share. I'm gonna hit download. Now in download, it will come an MP4 videos, but we're not doing videos because we want as a PNG. And the reason why this came up as a video because I had so many in there, so it automatically changed to the video for me, but you don't have to download it as a video. So we're gonna go click share again. We're gonna click download. I do not want video, so I'm gonna click on it. I want it as a PNG. And as you can see here, you can change anything you would like it to be. Any of these here, you can change this as you like. Go back and go download PNG, and you're gonna click select pages. As you see, I have all of them selected. At the moment, I do not want all download. So I'm gonna unclick this one and I'm gonna click the one that I would like to download, and it would be page 1. I'm gonna click done. Once you click done, you click download. Once you click download, it will download for you guys. And then you'll be able to upload to wherever you're promoting your business or product or sale that you have going on. So if you liked this video, please hit that like button. Please hit that subscribe button because we will be doing videos. I will try my best once a week, but my goal is at least once a day. So we can get y'all guys to get that brand triple, get that money coming in. So again, you guys, thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, like more information on anything y'all need to help triple your brand, please